Have you ever pondered the essence of self-development? What does it mean to truly cultivate yourself? Let's embark on a journey to demystify this intricate concept. Self-development, in its simplest form, is the process of refining oneself over time, enhancing skills, expanding knowledge, and fostering growth. It's a journey of transformation, a continuous process that involves several key steps. The first step on this journey is self-awareness. It's about understanding who you are at your core. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? What ignites your passion? What drains your energy? Self-awareness is the compass that guides you through the wilderness of self-development, pointing you in the direction of growth. Once you've cultivated self-awareness, the next step is setting clear and measurable goals. These are the landmarks on your journey, the peaks you aim to summit. Goals give you a sense of direction and provide a measure of progress. They are the tangible manifestations of your self-development journey. The third step is developing a growth mindset. This is the belief that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. It's the fuel that powers your journey, the wind that keeps your sails filled. A growth mindset enables you to embrace challenges, persist in the face of setbacks, see effort as the path to mastery, and learn from criticism. The fourth step is continuous learning and skill development. This involves seeking out new knowledge, honing existing skills, and developing new ones. It's the process of building your toolkit, the equipment you carry on your journey. The fifth and final step is reflection and evaluation. This is the process of looking back at your journey, assessing your progress, learning from your experiences, and adjusting your course as necessary. It's the process of refining your compass, ensuring it continues to point you in the right direction. To summarize, self-development is a continuous journey of transformation that begins with self-awareness. It involves setting clear and measurable goals, developing a growth mindset, continuously learning and developing skills, and regularly reflecting and evaluating your progress. Each step is important and contributes to your overall growth and development. So, as we navigate the winding roads of life, remember, self-development isn't a destination but a journey. It's about becoming a better version of yourself, one step at a time. It's about embracing challenges, cultivating a growth mindset, and continuously seeking out new knowledge and skills. And most importantly, it's about reflecting on your journey and learning from your experiences. It's a beautiful journey filled with growth and transformation. And while the path may be challenging at times, the rewards are immeasurable. So let's keep moving forward, one step at a time, on this remarkable journey of self-development.